Hello students, today's lecture number 4 JEE Mains test series 10 questions in a day. Every day 10 questions video will be released at the time of 6 o'clock in the evening. So the first question I am discussing now, it's based on from units and measurements. Okay, so the first one is the consider the efficiency of carnot engine. Efficiency of carnot engine is given by, this is some expression as given. From this we should know about, this is efficiency is, its a dimensional formula is what you say, constant, no dimensions. And dimension formula, this is no dimension formula means what, this one also no dimension formula. Dimension formula of sine theta is what, constant. Okay, so next one is dimension formula of exponential form. Okay, that's what, exponential form is also what is this, it's a constant. This everything is what, it's a constant. Now I am talking on this eta dimensional formula. First one I am talking about, this is what, it's a constant. Dimensional formula of beta x by kt. Okay, so then this is equals to what, it's a constant. Beta x is equals to kt. Dimensional formula of beta x is equals to dimensional formula of kt. Okay, so should know about dimensional formula of kt. Yes, pv is equals to what, nkt. Okay, so this is the number, then pv is what, it's a work done. What is this, ml square t minus 2 is equals to dimensional formula of kt. So dimensional formula of kt is what, this. Then beta is equals to, dimensional formula of beta is equals to, kt means what, ml square t minus 2 by x. X means what is this, it's a l. Okay, so this will be dimensional formula of beta is equals to ml t minus 2 is the first one. So this is the nothing but dimension formula of force. Okay, it's a dimension formula of force. Now first one is completed. Now next one I'm talking about, this is beta. Our dimension formula of eta is equals to dimension formula of alpha beta. It's what, constant, because this one also constant. Then alpha beta is equals to, it's a dimensionless, right? Alpha is equals to 1 by beta. Dimension of alpha is equals to 1 by beta. Okay, next one. Here now I'm talking on this. First one, dimensions of beta is same that of force. Dimensions of beta is same that of force is the first one. And dimensions of alpha inverse into x. Okay, so alpha inverse into x, then you can write about this one, beta is equals to what, 1 by alpha. This become as what, alpha inverse. So alpha inverse into x. X means what, l. So what is alpha inverse, this. What is here, mlt minus 2 again into what, it's a l. So this will become as what is say, ml square t minus 2 is the dimension formula of energy, is perfect. Next one, dimensions of eta inverse and sine theta is same as that of alpha beta. Okay, first one, eta inverse, what is the eta inverse, dimensionless. Sine theta also dimensionless. Eta inverse sine theta, okay, sine theta, dimensional formula is what, it's a dimensionless, right? So that's what you say, it's a m0 l0, like we can m0 l0 t0 we can write on this. Now I'm talking about next one. So is what you say, it's a m0 l0 t0, dimensionless. And next one, alpha beta. Alpha into beta is what, 1 by alpha only, no? So then what is this, it's a dimensionless, m0 l0 t0. So this is also correct. So which must be wrong, dimension of alpha and beta are same. No, this is wrong. So your option is what, this is correct answer. Okay, here is the question. The question is an expression of energy density is given. This is energy density. Energy density means what? Energy per volume, that you remember. Energy per volume is what? ml square T minus 2 per volume is what? It's a L cube. Then what do you say? This is what? ml minus 1 T minus 2. Okay. Next one. And this is what? Energy density. Yes. This is energy density, means this one also energy density only, no? Yes. And next one. This is what? Trigonometric function. So it is a constant. Constant means what do you write? Alpha x by kt is dimensional formula. What is this? It's a dimensionless quantity. Dimension means it's a constant. Alpha x dimensional formula is equals to, it's a kt. Correct? So then kt means what? Already we did this one. It's a dimensional formula of work done. What is this? ml square t minus 2 is equals to alpha. X is what? It's a L. L and L cancel. Dimensional formula of alpha is equals to ml t minus 2. This is dimensional formula of alpha. But he is asking about what is the dimension of beta. Okay, dimension of beta means dimension formula of this is equals to dimension of alpha by beta. Yes, so dimension of dimension of energy density is equals to dimension formula of beta according to the principle of homogeneity. Okay, so what is the energy density dimension formula? M L minus 1 T minus 2 is equals to dimension formula of alpha. Alpha is given M L T minus 2 by what? It's a beta. Okay, M and M cancel. T minus 2 cancel. Beta dimensional formula is equals to L square. Okay, so now your answer is what? M0 L square T0. Option D is correct answer. Here is the question. The question, momentum is given. Momentum is, it's a P. Okay, momentum is P. First I am writing dimensional formula of P. Dimensional formula of P is equals to mv dimensional formula. M is what? Capital letter M. V is what? LT inverse. So we can write about MLT minus 1 is first one. Okay. So next I'm moving on here. Area dimensional formula. What is the area dimensional formula? Dimensional formula of area is equals to L square. Okay. And dimensional formula of T is equals to T only. Okay. Next one. That's what. Then the fundamental quantities, then dimensions of coefficient of viscosity. What is the dimensional formula of coefficient of viscosity? Yes. So we can do in two ways. One is to get the relation between physical quantities. To get the relation between physical quantities. Relation between physical quantities means, that is dimensional formula of eta is equals to, then what? P power x, a to the power of y, t to the power of z. Then substitute the dimensional formula, compare the equations, you will get the answer. Okay. So I am taking about the coefficient of viscosity. F is equals to eta a into dv by dx. Okay. So dv by dx. Now F is what? Dimension. This is what just I am taking about for simplification. Actually this is the method, so in any ways you can solve on this. Okay, so just I am taking as multiplying with dt on both sides. It's a dt. Okay, so what is this? This gives what? It's a distance traveled. Distance traveled is equals to velocity into time. Dx and dx cancel this. Yes, so this dx and dx are cancelled. Then what you got? F into dt, what? Impulse. Impulse can produce momentum is equals to eta into a. Okay. Then eta is equals to, we can write P by dimension formula of P by dimension formula of A. So I can write it about P. Okay. A inverse T0. Okay. So P A inverse T0. Option A is correct. Here is the question. The question is, which of the following physical quantities have same dimensions? Same dimension, same dimensional formula. Electric displacement and surface charge density. So first I am checking one by one. Okay, which is not correct, that will be the answer. Okay, there are two ways. Anyway, we can solve on this. First one I am talking about displace electric potential and energy. Electric potential, this is what V. V is equals to W by Q. Dimension formula of V is equals to W is ml square T minus 2. Q means what you say, it's a T, IT. Dimension formula of V is equals to M L square T minus 3 I minus 1. Okay, this is what electric potential. And next one, energy, you know the dimension formula of energy, ml square T minus 2. Okay, so do you think these two are same? So he's asking same dimension. This is not. Okay, and current density and surface charge density. Okay, I should know about current density. So what is current density? Okay, current density is denoted by what? It's a J. J is equals to I by A. Okay, so this dimension formula of J is equals to I by A means what? It's a L square would become as I L to the power of minus 2. Okay, this is current density. And next one is about surface charge density. Surface charge density is surface charge density. Okay, surface charge density is denoted by what? It's a sigma. Sigma is equals to Q by A, otherwise dQ by dA. Okay, so what is the dimension formula? IT. A is what? L square, area, correct? Then what is this? I T L to the power of minus 2. Okay, so next one. So I L power minus 2, IT L power minus 2. Are these two equal? No, this is not. Displacement current and electric field. So definitely displacement current and electric field, these two are not same. It is denoted by what? It's a E bar, and displacement current is what? ID, epsilon naught d phi by dt. Okay, this is not. So which may be answer? This. Here is the question. This model question we have been observing from the different papers, but same equation, but he is asking here is a different question. Okay, a square by b, a into b, like different ways he is asking carefully. So JEE mains. Okay, so these questions are looks like known, but if you touch the, if you keep the pen, then it becomes what? Unknown. Okay, carefully you can do this one. So dimension formula of this is, dimension formula of pressure is equals to dimension formula of A by V square. Dimension formula of A is equals to what? P V square. Okay, first one is completed. And dimensionally, dimension formula of V is equals to dimension formula of B. Okay, so that is what dimension formula V is equals to what you write? It's a B. Yes. Next one, what is asking on this? A by B. Okay, A by B. Okay, A is what? P V square. B is what? It's a V. V, this is cancel. What is the answer? PV. Option C is the answer. Here is the question. So it's based on time constant. Just LCR, you know. So L is what? Self-inductance, and C is the capacitance, R is the resistance. Okay. So just which of the following does not have dimensions of time? Which of the following does not have dimensions of time? Means whose dimension formula is not is equals to T. Okay. First one, you know this is what? RC is time constant, correct? So these are the time constants, direct forms. So this one also time constants. So time constants means what? So its dimension formula is what you say? It's a T only. Its dimension formula is what? It's a T only. So this is what under root of LC. You know XL is equals to XC, na? Yes. So this is what? XL is equals to, XL is what? inductive reactance, capacitive reactance. Okay, so then XL means what? L omega is equals to 1 by omega C. Okay, omega square is equals to 1 by LC. Omega is equals to 1 by under root of LC. Omega means what? 2 pi by T is equals to 1 by under root of LC. Yes. So what is the dimension formula of LC? Dimension formula of T. So its dimension formula is what? T only. So which is not correct. Which is not correct means does not have the same dimension of this one, means this is the option. It's not equal to dimensional formula of T is the case. The SI unit of physical quantity. The SI unit of physical quantity is given Pascal seconds. This is such a simple models is asking. Okay, the dimension formula of this quantity will be what? Okay, so it's what? This is Pascal second. Pascal second. Pascal comes from where? Pressure. Dimension formula of pressure. Second is what? It's a T. Pressure is what? Force per area. If you don't know the pressure, okay, it's what? Capital letter T. This will be F is what? MLT minus 2 by, it's a L square into dimension formula of time is what? It's a T. Okay, this and this cancel. M L minus 1 T minus 2 1. What is that? T minus 1. So ML minus 1 T minus 1, option A is correct. The question is expression for dimensional formula. So dimensionless quantity, he said this. It's a dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity means what? This is dimensionless quantity. Dimensional formula of P must be is equals to what? Dimensional formula of alpha by beta. P is what? Dimensionless quantity. Then what do you write on this? Dimensional formula of alpha must be is equals to what? Dimensional formula of beta. Okay, I should know about what is this. This is exponential form, correct? Exponential form is what? Dimensional formula of kt by beta x must be is equals to what? 1. Dimensional formula of kt is equals to dimensional formula of beta x. Kt is what? It's a work done. It's a PV, correct? So its dimensional formula is what? ml square t minus 2 is equals to dimensional formula of beta into dimensional formula of x. It's a L, and this cancel. Then dimensional formula of beta is equals to, what do you write? L T minus 2. Okay, this is the dimension formula of beta. So MLT minus 2, option C is correct. The question is based on what? Mutual inductance. Mutual inductance is what? It's a M. Okay, this is what? Mutual inductance. It's a M, right? So then EMF E is equals to minus M into di by dt. Yes. So what is E? EMF. So its dimensional formula is equal to dimensional formula of potential. So dimensional formula of potential is what? W by Q. Okay. So then what? E is equals to minus M into di by dt. E is what? W by Q. Yes. This is equals to M minus, I'm leaving for the dimensionally. Current is what? I, and time is what? It's a T. Yes. So W is what? ML square T minus 2. Q means what you say? It's a IT. Yes. So this is equals to M I by, so it's what? T. Yes. So this T and T cancel. Yes. Next one is about, what do you write on here? Dimensional formula of M is equals to, dimensional formula of M is equals to M L square T minus 2, this I comes down, I square, I minus 2 is our answer. ML square T minus 2, I minus 2. I means what? It's a. Option C is correct. The question number 10. So identify pair of physical quantities which are different dimensions. Like any physical quantities are given, you can go for trial and error method, which are the wrong options that we need to find it. That's the easy way. Okay. So first one, if I'm talking about wave number, okay, meter inverse dimension, it's a units. So Reynolds number also, Rydberg's number, what is it? It's a meter inverse. So coercivity and magnetization, ampere per meter. This one also what? Ampere per meter. Stress is what? Force per area. Force per area means what? It's a unit is what? Pascal. So then what? Coefficient of elasticity. So stress per strain has no units, it's a Pascal. Yes. So specific heat capacity and latent heat. So this is what? It's the units are not equal. So what is your answer? So he is asking about this. Identify the pair of physical quantities which are different dimensions. So dimension formula of this is not equal to dimension formula of latent heat. Thank you.